Recently, DJI introduced a spectacular drone named DJI Mini 3 Pro. It comes with lots of astonishing features that will blow your mind with its performance. However, for utilizing the full potential of DJI Mini 3 Pro, you cannot overlook the importance of proper accessories. That's why, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 must-have accessories for DJI Mini 3 Pro that can enhance the aerial patching experience to the next level. Monitoring the drone footage over the phone screen under the brightness of the sun is quite tough, and as a solution, we bring the PGYTECH phone monitor hood, which helps it to operate your drone even after heavy sun reflection. It's made of PU suede material which suppresses the reflection of the sun and gives you a crystal viewing experience in daylight. Moreover, its full blackout design effectively reduces the reflection of the smartphone screen while you're using it in the bright sunlight. Thanks to its built-in phone suction cup, you can easily install this monitor hood without any irritation and discover everything more clearly in any environment. Not just that, its foldable design takes little space in your bag and lets you take it wherever you go. In short, if you want to fly the DJI Mini 3 Pro at the brightest time of the day, you should definitely put the PGYTECH phone monitor hood over the mobile phone screen for better visualization. An additional flight battery delivers you an uninterrupted video capturing experience without charging irritation. That's why we have included DJI Mini 3 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery Plus on our list. This powerful flight battery can run up to 47 minutes of extended time and allows you to focus on the flying rather than focusing on the battery life. Thanks to its lightweight and compact form factor, you can carry this flight battery to any corner of the world for outdoor shooting. With the 58 watt of maximum charging power, you can juice up your battery within a few minutes and go back to shooting faster. The best thing about this battery is that it does not generate much heat during charging and gives you peace of mind. In brief, the DJI Mini 3 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery Plus offers you an excellent power backup compared to other standard batteries, so you can get an immersive flying experience with your DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI Mini 3 Pro additional lens are the most popular elements for any drone, which delivers a wide field of view and reduces the amount of light that enters the camera's lens. This wide-angle lens can expand your field of view from 81.5 degrees to 114 degrees when taking photos, and from 75 degrees to 100 degrees when recording videos to capture more scenes from multiple angles. On the other hand, ND filters help you to take daytime water photography and better urban landscape shots. Besides, using ND32 filter, you can make the effect even stronger. Plus, this filter lengthens the shutter speed and creates some motion blur, which gives your photo a more lovely and active feel. Not just that, it delivers you more creative control over the shots. In short, to make your drone shots more lifelike and attractive, you should definitely pick the DJI Mini 3 Pro additional lens. An SD card is an integral part of the drone, which keeps your video and photos safe inside a small chipset. Hence, we have the SanDisk High Endurance microSD card for the new DJI Mini 3 Pro, a great and reliable SD card that ensures all your storage requirements. It has up to 256 GB of storage, where you can keep large photos, videos, and other files in one place without removing the existing one. This SD card can endure up to 20,000 hours of worry-free recording to make it perfect for your Mini 3 Pro. On top of that, this SD card has a Class 10 UHS 3 rating, which means you can capture stunning 4K Ultra HD and Full HD video from the sky. This SD card offers up to 100 Mbps read and 90 Mbps write speed, which allows your drones to handle rapid-fire sequential shooting in both JPEG and RAW with ease. Whether you take your DJI Mini 3 Pro in a snowy mountain or extremely remote desert, this power SD card stands firmly against shocks, water, and extreme temperatures. In brief, if you want to save all your drone shots in one place, you should definitely pick the SanDisk High Endurance microSD card to use with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. When you go for an adventurous shooting, carrying DJI Mini 3 with your bare hand is not a good idea. So we have the PGYTECH carrying case for you, which can protect your drone against external dents and scratches. This carrying case has EVA hard shell design and wear-resistant nylon fabric material that keeps the DJI Mini 3 protected from outside damages and enables you to use this for a longer period of time. Thanks to its custom partition, you can keep every accessory in an organized manner and easily access them when you need them. Moreover, its multiple compartments will allow you to easily store batteries, data cables, memory cards, filters, and other accessories together without carrying any additional bags. Plus, its compact design enables you to carry it to any corner of the world with ease. In short, the PGYTECH carrying case shields your drones from external attack and keeps your accessories in an organized orientation. So, that was all about the top 5 must-have accessories for DJI Mini 3 Pro just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.